Christ the Redeemer, a towering statue of Jesus Christ with outstretched arms, overlooks the city of Rio de Janeiro from the summit of Mount Corcovado. This iconic monument has become a symbol of Brazil and a global emblem of Christianity. Here, we explore the history, design, cultural significance, and enduring allure of Christ the Redeemer. The idea for a large religious monument on Mount Corcovado emerged in the late 19th century. The proposal gained momentum in the 1920s when the Catholic Church and the Brazilian government collaborated to create a symbol of Christianity. Construction of Christ the Redeemer began in 1926 and was completed in 1931. The statue was designed by Brazilian engineer Heitor da Silva Costa and sculpted by French artist Paul Landowski. The reinforced concrete and soapstone structure stands at a height of 30 meters, with an additional 8-meter pedestal. The arms of Christ stretch approximately 28 meters wide, symbolizing an embrace of the city and humanity. The outstretched arms of Christ the Redeemer are often interpreted as a symbolic gesture of peace, love, and protection. The statue's location atop Mount Corcovado provides a panoramic view of Rio de Janeiro, reinforcing the idea that Christ is watching over the city. Christ the Redeemer is a potent symbol of Brazilian and global Christianity. It represents the country's deep-rooted Catholic heritage and serves as a beacon of faith and hope. The statue's arms are open wide in a welcoming gesture, embodying the inclusivity and compassion of Christian teachings. In 2012, Christ the Redeemer, along with the surrounding Tijuca National Park, was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The recognition acknowledged the cultural and natural significance of the statue and its breathtaking natural setting. Christ the Redeemer is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. Visitors ascend Mount Corcovado by train or on foot to reach the summit and experience not only the awe-inspiring statue but also breathtaking views of Rio de Janeiro, including famous landmarks such as Sugarloaf Mountain and Copacabana Beach. The statue is often illuminated at night, creating a stunning visual spectacle against the backdrop of the darkened city. The nighttime illumination enhances the spiritual and aesthetic impact of Christ the Redeemer and adds to its allure as a symbol of faith. The statue has experienced problems from weathering, pollution, and the effects of an increasing number of tourists. The goal of conservation operations, which also include sporadic restorations, is to maintain the statue's visual appeal and structural integrity. Christ the Redeemer has become a site for cultural and religious events. It has served as a backdrop for papal visits, religious processions, and other significant gatherings, further solidifying its role as a symbol of spiritual unity. Christ the Redeemer is not only a symbol of Brazil but also an internationally recognized landmark. Its image is often featured in films, television shows, and travel promotions, making it a global icon that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Christ the Redeemer stands as a monumental expression of faith, love, and cultural identity. Its commanding presence atop Mount Corcovado, coupled with its architectural magnificence, has made it a beloved symbol for both the people of Brazil and individuals around the world. As a testament to the enduring power of religious and cultural symbols, Christ the Redeemer continues to inspire awe and admiration, welcoming visitors with open arms and a profound message of hope.